Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1923 Track T Ford, listed for $14,500 US in Marianne, Florida. Its condition is listed as used good and from the seller's description. 1923 Track T, 2.3 4-cylinder Ford, C4 3-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, possible trade for a nice full-size Ford driver. Alright, here we have a 1958 Porsche Speedster Replica, listed for $32,000 US in Katy, Texas. Its condition is listed as used good and from the seller's description. 1958 Porsche Speedster Replica, built by Classic Motor Carriages, titled as a 1988 assembled vehicle, 10,900 miles, new battery and recent oil service, $32,000 or best offer, willing to trade. And up next we have this 1971 Volkswagen Vocaro dune buggy, listed for $7,000 US in Fernandina Beach, Florida. It's been driven 50,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, Volkswagen dune buggy, new carburetor and oil change, runs great. Okay, here we have a Bremen Sebring Kit Car, listed for $10,000 US in Nashville, Tennessee. Its condition is listed as new and from the seller's description. One of a kind Bremen Sebring Kit Car, custom fiberglass body, VW chassis, 1941cc motor, runs but needs work, transmission is good, new disc brakes, less than 5,000 miles. Alright, another Porsche. This is a 2008 Porsche Boxster limited edition with a body kit. Listed for $29,500 US in Plano, Texas. It's been driven 133,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, limited edition Porsche Boxster, only 250 produced, project car with a Pandem wide body kit installed, top speed pro exhaust, straight piped but mufflers are included if you prefer to add them back on, runs and drives perfectly fine, some imperfections and might need a little bit of work to take it to the next level. Headlights don't currently work as they need an adapter. And here we have a 1923 Ford Model T Roadster listed for $22,500 US in Seaganville, Texas. Seems to be quite a few from Texas this week. From the seller's description, 23 Ford Model T Roadster, 327 board 30 over, turbo 350 trans tied to an early 60s GM rear end, drives and runs great, may consider a partial trade, $18,500 with a decent 16-foot enclosed trailer. Alright, here we have a 1930 Bugatti Replica listed for $15,000 US in Plant City, Florida. It is a manual transmission and from the seller's description, vintage Volkswagen Bugatti Kit Car, open to trades of vehicles, classic cars or anything of equal value, Volkswagen 4-cylinder. Okay, here we have a DF Goblin with a body skin on it, something I don't think I've seen yet. This car is listed for $16,000 US in Prosper, Texas. And again, Texas. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description, DF Goblin 2.0 supercharged kit out of a 2006 Cobalt SS. Alright, this week seems to be Texas, Florida, Texas, Florida. Here we have a 1986 Kit Car, that's all it's listed as, listed for $7,000 US in Destin, Florida. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1600cc VW engine and VW frame, 7,000 miles, garage kept. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1981 Manta Mirage Project listed for $6,500 US in Jupiter, guess what? Florida. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1981 Manta Mirage body and frame, car is unmolested from the factory, original red gel coat and black interior, all carpets, seats, leather trim included, as well as all factory original DOT approved glass, including the roof and door upper sections. Has a Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes and rack and pinion steering. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.